Hi, welcome back. Myself, KK Singh, and today I am going to discuss four important functions of Google Sheets which one should know. What are those functions? Function number one is sum, which everyone knows. When you want to sum up the values of the different cells, you can apply the formula or you can apply the function to calculate the values of the sum. And the second function is SUMIF. Since if is attached to sum means a condition is exists here, means you are going to sum up the values but on the basis of the condition. So I am going to apply sum along with one condition. And third one is concatenate. As the name says, when we want to join these strings, then we'll have to apply concatenate. It joins the words, joins the strings. And the fourth one is join. This is more or less concatenate, but it is different from concatenate functions. So let's move to our first function. So here, this is the Google Sheet. And on this sheet, there are some numbers in different cells and some students also. If you see here, there are some students whose numbers are given in the cells. What I want to apply the sum function. So I'll apply the sum function in B7. So how to apply those functions? So I'll write equal sign, then apply sum, then select the range. So see here, I have selected the range from B2 to B6, and now close the parenthesis and press enter. So sum, I get the sum. Okay, now what I want to apply SUMIF. For this I'll have to apply sum along with a condition. So what is the condition? So condition is, I'm going to apply here, I'm going to sum all the values of column B from B2 to B6 which are less than or equal to 50. So how to do this? For that I'll apply SUMIF, then select the range, then I'll apply the condition less than 50. Close the parenthesis, close the quotes, and then close the parenthesis, and my sum below 50 is here. So see here. So here I have applied SUMIF. So this way I can apply sum and SUMIF. These are two functions. Now we are moving towards concatenate and join. So if you see here, there is a sheet In this sheet, I'm going to concatenate the values. So see here, I have selected two columns. Column A is having a first name and column B is having the surname. And if I apply concatenate in column C, say concatenate and B2, A2 and B2, A2 comma B2. So it gives me Aman Kumar. So if you see here, Aman Kumar is coming as output. But there is a small problem. The problem is Aman Kumar both are attached. I did not want this. I wanted the proper name. So what should I do? I'll apply a space between these two, I mean A2 and B2. A2 concatenate A2 space B2. So let's see how to do this. Concatenate space B2 and now press enter. Now look at the value Aman Kumar. Copy to rest of the cells. So I'll get Aman Kumar. Now I am going to discuss join. Join is more or less concatenate. So if you see, there are some cells in cell A8, B8 and C8, D8. So there are four cells and in each cell uh, there are some words. So in A8 I have is, in B8 I have A, in C8 I have sweet, and in D I have boy. And when I want to join, so what should be the format of joining these two? So when I apply join function here, so apply join, and this I'm taking cell E8 equal join. Before taking any data, because its syntax is delimiter and value of the array. So the default should be the space. Space should be enclosed in double quotes. So double quotes, and then I'll select the entire range. So see here, join space and the range. So I have selected the range, close the parenthesis, and as soon as I close the parenthesis, I get the result is a sweet boy. I can also apply another character like this time I used one space. It was in double quotes. Now I'm going to apply the hyphen. To apply hyphen, let's see, hyphen, and then the entire range, and press the enter. I get is a sweet boy with hyphen, is hyphen a hyphen sweet hyphen boy. So this way I can apply join function in my Google Sheet. So hope you understood the concept of sum, SUMIF, concatenate and join. So if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and drop a comment in the description box. And your comment motivates me. So I hope you will drop a comment. So we'll meet in the next video with different scenario and function. Thank you.